So friends, once again I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be sharing this strategy for trading volatility indices. Yes, we are on volatility 75. It works on all, you get. So now we shall also be trying it on boom and crash, and then we see, but now we are on volatility 75. So this one is going to be helping us to determine pullbacks and reversals, you get. So now, as you can see, I have 3 indicators on my chart here. I have a moving average, I have an RSI, and then stochastic oscillator. So now for the moving average let me quickly show you this one. So now it is period it is period 200. It is exponential, by the way. It is exponential. So now that's it. If I told you on MetaTrader 4, so you just go in indicators, you go to moving averages, exponential, apply to close. The period is 200. That's it. Then I always say, what is it going to help us? Whenever prices are above our 200, we look for buying opportunities, because we are in an upward trend. We move with the trend, you get. So this is going to help us to follow the trend. So whenever we are below, then we are in a downward trend, you know. So we look for selling opportunities. But then, so which means if at all here we were up, we are seeing how we can target these opportunities for us to get in, you get. We get in here and then we continue buying, because we know that we are up. And then when we are down, we want to see how we can utilize these opportunities here, these ones here, so that we can take more selling entries, you know. And then we get up so that we take more buying entries. So that is the first thing. So that is the use of the 200 period moving average. So it is showing us the direction of the trend. Then here we have the RSI here on indicator window 1 here. We have the RSI. You can see that one side is shaded, another side is not shaded. The other thing, the RSI, we can see that we have a middle point here, 50. So it is the level is 50, you know. So what does it mean? Whenever we are in the white part, that is the above 50, that means we are in an upward trend, you get. So sometimes we shall be seeing sometimes prices coming, they bounce off the RSI. They will be bouncing off the RSI at level 50 here, and then we would take more entries to buy. Sometimes they touch our 200 period, but now you can see sometimes they are below our 200 period. But then like here would have taken some sell entries, but then we get some bullish signals. But nonetheless we have another indicator here, you get. So all these indicators are just there to complement each other, you get, to complement each other. So now we also have the stochastics here. So now I've explained these ones are for the trend. Whenever we cross down on the RSI and then we start bouncing off the 50 going down, we're in the downward trend, as you can see, you get. And then we switched upwards like here, and then somehow, you get. So they resonate, the RSI and the 200 period, they are going to be resonating together, you get. So now the RSI is the stochastic oscillator is going to help us to address some of the issues that these indicators are already having. So for the RSI, first of all, I need to explain something. Whenever it is outside, now whenever it is below 20 and 80, then we can say that those are oversold and overbought regions. That's the first thing. But now we don't take signals when we are at outside 20. Now if at all the the stochastic comes out like this, we wait for it to touch our level 20, so the signal is always here, you get. And then when we are coming down, the signal is not up the side in the white line, but now we wait for it to turn, and then it comes at level 80. So always watch out for that whenever you're using the stochastic. It's not that, because sometimes it may cross up here and then the price stays just up there. So whenever it comes and then it crosses our period 80, our level 80, wait for it to turn and then it touches here. And then you can see that each time it is nearing to touch level 80, that's when the signal is coming, but not here, you get. And then that's it. So now the other thing that we know about the RSI is that the stochastic is that it turns a lot, you get. But now the entries are going to be like this. Whenever we cross below the 200, and also we've crossed on the RSI here below 50, what we wait for? We wait for the stochastic to touch level 80, then we would sell. We would take our sell entries down, you get. We would take our sell entries down. So now, given that this strategy is going to help us to trade pullbacks and reversals, the next thing that we do, we expect that prices shall be pulling back for us to sell again. So now prices reach here, we don't take buying entries because we are below the 200 period, and then we are below here. So we are looking for selling opportunities. The prices came outside, so here we would prepare to take more sell entries, then we sell, you get. You would sell. So whenever we are below, we are not looking for opportunities to buy. Then here we would sell, you see. We would take sell entries, then we sell, you get. So now if you backtest, now here we were up, we are above, because generally prices are above, though they are trying to cross below the 200. But now this stochastic is done, that is helping us to get more concrete signals, you get. So now prices come a little bit below, but we know that. So now we can see that it is outside period, we are outside level 80, then we would look for buying opportunities, because generally we were in the upward trend, you see. So this is a very, very strong stronger indicator setup, so you can use it. So quickly I'm going to show you also the RSI settings, and then I'll close off the video. So RSI, if you're on TradingView, of which you guys, I showed you how you can use boom and crash or other volatility. This is on TradingView. Please you go watch that video. It is just a 3-minute video I was explaining. So we come here on the levels. This one was level 70. We only change this one to level 50, you get. Level 50. Then we come here on the inputs, we put this one, the length 50. So if you're using MetaTrader 4, you're going to go to RSI. You make period, you change from period 14 to period 50. Then you go under levels, you delete all the levels that are there, you only add level 50. Then you say okay. Then the stochastic, you just leave it the way it is, nothing has changed, you get. So you press okay, then you start taking your profit, you get. So please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. I appreciate your time.